Hi everybody, I thought I would share cooking that smoked brisket weekend. So I've cooked it before, that's why I canned more. Draining off some of the juice. Being I put it in a small mouth jar, might be a little hard to get out. Yeah, normally you want to put your meats in a wide mouth jar. It comes out a lot easier. If I do it gently, I'll get to keep my pieces intact. Not always my forte. Oh, it smells so good. You just don't know, it smells so good. Do they have smoked canned meat at the store? I don't even know. I bet it don't smell as good as this. You can heat it up in barbecue sauce or whatever you like. That's what I did the last time. I'm just using the little bit of the juices this time. So there we go. This is pretty easy. I have some red beans and rice to go with it and green peas. Crank that baby up because I'm hungry. And it's as simple as this. That simple. Heat and eat. Your work from the summer is your treat in the winter. And that's all there is to it. And here we go, you guys. It's ready. Smells like it just came out of the smoker. As easy as that. Heat and eat. Like I said, you can put some barbecue sauce on there. There you go. Easy peasy dinner, literally, with the peas. So, I will put the link for the canned brisket in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Like, subscribe, share. Have a good night.